Gear, the heart of the mechanical world. Minghua Gear focus on gear manufacturing over 30 years. Aim to becoming a global partner in gear drive industry. Wenling Minghua Gear was established in 1992. Registered capital of 30 million CNY. Factory area of 219,000 square meters. Annual turnover of 1 billion CNY. We have 1,200 employees. Include 85 technicians and 104 QC persons. The CNC workshop has over 170 workers, with more than 500 fully functional CNC lathes. Equipment brands include Muzak, Okumer, Doosan, Sugami, and others. The gear tooth shape workshop has over 150 workers, more than 330 processing equipment, including gear hobbing machines, gear shepa, gear planer, gear shaving machines. The machine brands include CJM, Toman, Isn't Nide, etc. The CNC processing workshop has more than 100 workers, with more than 200 sets CNC machines. The equipment brands include Makino, TMG, Hyundai, Muzak, etc. Heat treatment workshop has 110 workers, with 41 heat treatment processing equipment, such as Ipsen and Eichlin. Process include carburizing and quenching, high-frequency induction quenching, nitriding, isothermal normalizing, press quenching, etc. And 4 sets Lasha strong shot blasting machines. The grinding workshop has more than 80 workers, with more than 200 processing machines. The brands include Studer, DMG, Shigya, Sugami, etc. The gear grinding workshop has more than 30 workers, with 38 processing equipment include Liebherr, Samputensili, etc. The assembly workshop has over 100 workers, working on the assembly of gearboxes and reducers, applied in agricultural and industrials, with yearly output over 300,000 sets of various gearboxes. The YID production line has more than 40 workers, use automatic loading and unloading machines. Is an automatic production line for the entire process, from product blanks to finished products. Minghua had full-equipped metrology center, including Hexagon, Zeiss 3D measuring center, Olympus high-precision metallographic microscope, German Klinberg P100 P65 P26 gear measuring center, roughness meter, projector profiler, etc. Provide safeguarding to product quality. We also had tool repair and grinding center, include SU shaver grinding, hopper grinding, gear shepa grindings. Striving for excellence and constantly improving, Minghua Gear obtained the trust from society, customers, and employees, continuously improving product and companies. Competitiveness in the market. Our gear drive products cover industries like automotive, agricultural, construction machinery, industrial robot, etc. The products were widely exported to countries such as the United States, Italy, France, Japan, South Korea, etc. Minghua Gear will continue to enhance its core competitive advantages, providing customers with efficient gear manufacturing, technical solutions and products.